guys, we're all having a tea party, yes! Tea party! Okay, okay. Would you like tea, Madam, Sir Teddy? Would you like some tea? Oh, yes. We're going to get up some tea, yes, very good.
I got a shot glass.
Oh, yes. Oh, no, that's part of her tea. Okay, we're going to put tea. Oh, wait.
That's creamer.
No, that's tea. This is a tea. Emma, would you like to pour Teddy a glass of tea?
No, because there's a bigger one that you're supposed to.
Well, you can find a bigger one, because I can't find. Ready? Go ahead, my darling. Good
That
job.
one's supposed to be creamer. This one's supposed to be sugar.
I know, but I could have put it. Very good. Oh, yes. Yes. Teddy, here's your tea. Are you enjoying your ice cream, my darling?
Yeah.
No, be lazy. You you do not eat like this, my darling. You sit. Sit a bit. Oh, how good is it?
I'm on sugar.
Really good. Okay, we can get you some sugar. Wait, no, we're not getting no sugar. Okay, so how much? 2?
2.
2? What do you say?
3.
2, please. 2, please. Yes. Oh, yes. Oh, yeah. Oh, very nice, very nice. What's that here? We got some sugar. And turn it up. That's what the problem was.
I
Yes.
pulled it up.
Oh, it is flour. Anna has given you your tea. We're not supposed to really drink it. Stop criticizing our tea. Yes, yeah. Emma, would you like some more tea?
Yeah.
Drink out in, darling. Very good, very good. Milk. Sugar. Put it down, my darling. Next tea party.
Me too.